Dear Chick-fil-A. Hey, Chick-fil-A. Look at that motherfucking cheese on the motherfucking macaroni and cheese. Chick-fil-A. Who taught y'all how to make this motherfucking macaroni and cheese like this? Huh? Hey. Chick-fil-A. All y'all gotta do now is figure out how to make the motherfucking collard green and the motherfucking baked man. Y'all figure them two motherfuckers out right. Y'all already got the sweet tea. Y'all figure out how to make the motherfucking collard green and the motherfucking baked man. And y'all gonna officially be a soul food motherfucking restaurant, Chick-fil-A. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that motherfucking cheese in there, man. This ain't no motherfucking box macaroni. This ain't no box macaroni, Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, who gave y'all? Who gave y'all this motherfucking recipe, Chick-fil-A? Y'all been at the motherfucking bar. That motherfucking grill out today. Yeah. Yeah. Nickel. Yeah, nickel. You motherfuckers say, huh? Yeah. 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 Football season, bitch. College football season at that, bitch. Yes, sir. Wait till I put that motherfucking sauce on though. Wait till I put that little motherfucking sauce on them. Hit him. Hit him. That motherfucking meat tongue. Keep that motherfucking meat tongue. I ain't even finna tell the difference in that bottle. I ain't even finna tell the difference in that bottle. Motherfucker see it. Motherfucker see it. Nigga. Nigga.